Shush, understanding the power of silence. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into a single word that holds more power than you might think. It's the word, shush. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use this word, and the message it conveys. Shush is an interjection in the English language. It's a word we use when we want someone to be quiet or stop talking. Often, it's used in situations where silence is needed, like in a library, during a movie, or when someone is trying to concentrate. Imagine you're in a cinema, and someone's phone rings loudly. Someone else might say, shush, to remind that person to be respectful of the shared quiet environment. The word, shush, is believed to be onomatopoeic. Onomatopoeia is a term for words that imitate the natural sounds associated with the objects or actions they refer to. In this case, shush mimics the sound of someone urging quietness, similar to the shush sound we make with our finger on our lips. When you use shush, it's important to use it appropriately. Here's a quick guide. 1. Tone. Your tone matters a lot. A gentle shush can be a friendly reminder, while a sharp shush can be more stern or urgent. 2. Body language. Often, shush is accompanied by a finger on the lips. This is a universal sign asking for silence. 3. Context. Remember to use shush in appropriate situations. If someone's safety is at risk, for example, a loud noise might be more effective than a shush. While shush is commonly understood in many parts of the world, it's always essential to be aware of cultural nuances. In some cultures, saying shush can be considered rude or disrespectful. Always try to gauge the environment and the people you're with before using it. And that's a wrap on our lesson about shush. We hope this video has shed light on this small but impactful word. Remember, communication is not just about what we say, but how we say it. Until next time, happy learning!